Kajal Chelar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a Nykaa haul. I recently shopped from Nykaa, so I thought of showing it to you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I have used some products, so I will give you a review, like short review on it. Okay, so the first thing is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So yeah, this is actually really good. It is not full coverage, but it's pretty good. And this is for $5.49. Yeah. So the next thing is LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I don't have to give you a review. I used this. This is so good. I am in love with this. I actually used this before also, so I know how it works. So yeah, I already like this, so I bought one more. And this is in the color Pure Beige. Yeah. So I am in love with this. LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Definition. So this is a bit expensive. This is for $6.95. So yeah. Oh my god. This is Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, and this is so good. Oh my god. It, like, my pores are invisible. When I apply this, my pores are invisible, and it gives so smooth area for your base. Just beautiful. So yeah, I'm really in love with this. This is for $4.99. So yeah, this is okayish. I bought this Vedic Line Lavender Gloss Serum, and it has a smell like a lavender smell. Okay, I'm not fan of the smell, but I don't mind it. Like, it's really smooth. It's not like too much like this. And for oily skin, this is pretty good. This is not very expensive. This is only for $2.75. So I guess you can buy this. This is Himalaya's refreshing and clarifying toner. I just wanted to try this. This is a toner, and this is alcohol free, and I like brand Himalaya, so I wanted to give it a try. So, and this is really cheap. Like, this bottle is for 95 rupees only. So yeah, it's okay. It's not bad for the price. I haven't used it yet because मैं बाहर कहीं तो गई नहीं हूँ, and for the videos I don't feel necessary to use a finishing spray, like makeup spray. So yeah, I haven't used it yet. So yeah, this is NK Makeup Perfection Finishing Spray. Again, this is matte, and it is for $5.50. I bought this Color Essence ka Kajal. I have used it. It is okay. It's not bad, and this is for $1.60. This is very rich. In, like, this black is very rich, and I will show it to you. This is a Color Essence, is a new brand, so I like trying new things, so I bought this. So it's dark, and it's not smudge proof, but yeah, it's okay. I don't mind it. This is the next thing. This is Blue Heaven mascara, and this is waterproof long lash. It says like it gives length and volume, base to tip curl, visible lift, long wearing. These are the results. So yeah, I have used it. So it is long wearing, and it gives visible lift. Like, you can see, like, when you are applying it, you can see the lift and the volume in your eyelashes. So I really like this. But the one problem is it won't dry faster. So yeah, it will take time to dry out. The applicator is really nice. This is for only 125 rupees. So it's very affordable. Lakme Insta Liner, water resistant eyeliner. This is not water resistant, sorry, and this is very cheap. I don't like gel liners for everyday basis, and I use like Lakme or L18 only. So yeah, and actually I love the applicators on Lakme and L18. They are so like fine. See, it's very black, and I like this. It's thick, it's black, and affordable, and the applicator is really good. I bought this Gatsby, I'm sorry if I'm saying this wrong, Gatsby spray, hair spray. मैंने देखा नहीं, this is like ultra hard, so yeah, and this is for 250 rupees. This is Color Essence का Sindoor. This is not for me, so don't worry, I'm not getting married soon. And this is in the shade Maroon. It looks like lipstick, I know. This is for my sister, and the color is really nice. See, the color is really nice, and this is for 105 only, so you can give it a try if you are married. I bought a razor, like a face razor, because I wanted to give it a try. Okay, this is the razor, and it comes with the safety. It is pretty sharp, so yeah, I am going to give it a try. I will do it on camera, so yeah, stay tuned for that also. Then actually I bought a simple razor. Okay. So I actually use this Gillette Venus razor with aloe extract for women. Actually I have razor and I have refills, 2 refills also. I actually left it in Pune and I don't have anything here, so I bought this using Prowala Biotic ka Bio Papaya face wash, and this is only for 150 rupees and it's huge, man. You can give it a try. This is Ayurvedic also. This is not expensive at all. I bought this eyelashes by Miss Claire, professional eyelashes. They are worth only 195. They are pretty cheap, and these are like natural looking. This like product name is Eyelashes 55. So if you want like natural looking eyelashes, then you can definitely go for this. The problem is they were out of lash glue. I guess that's it. These are all the things I bought from Nykaa. I will leave the link of all the products in the description below, so you can give it a try. And I really liked all the products which I have used. I really like the Blue Heaven ka mascara, and everything else I really liked it. I haven't used this, and this is ultra hard, so I'm like a little scared to use it. My hair are already dry and frizzy, so yeah, I'm not sure. You can try this on like occasions, festivals, or parties which are not happening soon. If you liked the video, then please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, that is kajal.relatable, and Facebook. I will leave the link in the description below, so you can follow me there. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I will see you soon. Bye.